Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace a headlight. First, make sure your vehicle is off and the engine is cool. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and your new headlight bulb. Open the hood and locate the headlight assembly. This initial preparation ensures safety and sets you up for a smooth replacement process. Now, let's get to the bulb. You'll typically find two retaining screws holding the headlight assembly in place. Remove these carefully. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire assembly forward. This gives you enough room to reach behind and disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. With the old bulb exposed, twist it counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Be careful not to touch the glass of your new bulb. Oils from your skin can shorten its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, twisting it clockwise until it's secure, then firmly reconnect the electrical connector. Finally, slide the headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it clicks into place, and then reinsert and tighten the retaining screws. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working correctly. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.